Welcome back to the second lesson of topic 4 called arrays and multiplication. You've probably seen arrays in second grade for some of the basics of multiplication, and we're going to build on those and then get a little deeper as these lessons go on to learn about multiplication. So let's start with this. Multiplication can be used to find the total in an array. Scott arranged some apples in an array. He made 4 rows with 3 apples in each row. How many apples does Scott have? So Scott drew this in an array, and what I love about this array is its apples. It gets away from the boring humdrum of circles or squares or boxes, and I want to encourage your students to use some of those different drawings. As long as it's a proper array, I don't mind if it's a smiley face, a triangle, a star, anything like that, as long as it stays as a consistent array, and I'll show you that at the bottom. Now let's look back at Scott's array. He has 1, 2, 3, 4 rows with 1, 2, 3 apples in each row. So you can write that as a repeated addition sentence. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And you can add those up. 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 3 more equals 9, plus 3 more equals 12, and we can get our answer of 12. It's really important that these are what they call equal groupings. So I have 3 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It wouldn't be an array if all of the apples were arranged haphazardly, because you can't track them into equal groupings, which is an important concept in multiplication. So I'm going to do a couple down here for you. This says write a multiplication sentence for each array. So the first thing I need to do is I need to see how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. And now I need to see how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 rows of 5. And I can write that as a repeated addition sentence. 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now to figure out how many are in there, I could go back and I could count them each individually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Or I could use my repeated addition. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 more is 15. And then I can rewrite that as a multiplication sentence. 5 rows of 3 equals 15. So that's my multiplication sentence that it's asking for. And then to kind of flip that, the bottom here says draw an array to show the fact 3 groups of 4 or 3 rows of 4. For this one, I'm going to use stars, and I'm going to have 3 rows of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 row. Now I need 2 more rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see I have 1, 2, 3 rows with 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row. And again, like I stated before, whether these are stars or circles or smiley faces or triangles, it doesn't matter as long as it's the same shape throughout the whole array and that your array is consistent. So thanks for tuning in.